Very simple video here. You have a problem, I have a solution. Show of hands or leave in the comments below how many times you've dropped something down here. This is the absolute worst thing. I'm not gonna do it exactly, but come on, your phone, it's gone, eaten in there, and we can prevent that. Let me show you how it looks, just like this. It's a seed gap filler, and it's from Tesery. I'll have it in the description below, the like button, you can check it out, and it works super well. The installation, it's easy. I mean, grab it out of the box, find your red seatbelt area, push it back, and then fit this over it, pull the seat a little up, and tuck it in type of easy. That's all it is. That's all it is. And it's just gonna sit in there so snug. Now you might be asking me, Brandon, what if you move the seat up and down? Okay, let's do that. Keep it both in frame so you can see it moves with the seat all the way back and all the way forward. It has no problem. So when you go into your Tesla, hello, you have this seat gap filler right here. That means if you have pockets like me that are right here and stuff, sometimes it slides out of it, perfectly falling into the hole, it will never fall into the void anymore. And on top of that, you get extra storage in your car for basically giving up nothing. So this is what it looks like on the driver's side. You can barely see it. It's not very noticeable. And then you also have it on the passenger side as well. You get both of these when you pick up the set. So I could put things in here like hand sanitizer, my wallet, phone, of course. I don't have them on me, but earbuds can go in here. Walkie-talkie, some gloves, glasses, chopsticks, mints. These can fit a lot. And look, I still have tons of extra space. Look at all this wiggle room right here. Tons of extra space here. This sits super snugly in here. You have all this space down here and then more space over here. Not all of it is even being used. So if you both want more storage and don't want any more things falling in the crack of your Tesla, never to be found again, I'll have these in the description below with the like button with a discount code for you so you can check them out, save you some money, and save you time from trying to find where anything fell. Problem solved.